Thank you so much for this opportunity. This literally changed my life.
If you have an opinion, you can get paid. Now, I, for one, am a very opinionated person, so this has been the best program I've ever joined. Unbelievable.
Seriously, it's that easy. That's all you've got to do, and you get paid cash. I still can't even believe it, but it's definitely true. You gotta see this.
I couldn't be more satisfied with my decision to join this program. It's one of the best choices I've ever made, hands down. You've got to check it out.
Hello there, and welcome to clickforsurveys.com. Or should I say, welcome to our family. Who are we? We are a tightly knit community of individuals who have discovered a way to change our lives, and we hope that you will join us. Here at Click for Surveys, members are earning cash into their PayPal accounts and into their bank accounts simply by taking surveys online. That's right, we get paid cash just to take surveys, and everybody is welcome to join, no matter your age, background, or what country you live in. And there's plenty enough to go around. Well, in fact, there are billions to go around. It's true. Big companies are spending billions of dollars every year on something they call market research. This is when they gather information about what is trending and what people are currently thinking. This is how million-dollar companies continue to make more and more money by staying ahead of the curve. And that's exactly why they need us. They are spending billions every year just to find out what we are thinking. And I'm talking about some of the largest corporations in the world. Coca-Cola, Best Buy, Nike, Walmart, Amazon, eBay, the list goes on. This opportunity is a hidden gold mine that only a few people actually know about. And these people are enjoying the luxury of earning an extra income from home that is simple and easy. So join us here at Click for Surveys and get paid to take surveys.
Hey there, it's George here. I just wanted to tell you guys that seriously, you join Click for Surveys and you get paid to take surveys. And now, listen, this is the real deal.
I've tried so many different ways to make money from home, and I finally found exactly what I was looking for. And I can honestly say that I'm proud to be a Click for Surveys member.
It's extremely easy to do, and they have a huge database of companies that want to pay you. It's incredible, and they will pay you for your opinion. Now, you got an opinion, I'm sure. Anyway, I gotta say that I'm addicted to this, and it's working. So check it out today. Click for Surveys.
At Click for Surveys, having my own opinion is my most rewarding attribute in more ways than one. I can earn anywhere up to $5 to $75 per completed survey. I can even earn up to $50 to $150 per hour just for participating in online focus groups. I can have the cash put directly into my PayPal account, or I can have checks sent directly to my home. As soon as I receive a check, I take it straight to my bank and cash it. This is real money, and I am earning a real income just for giving my opinion online. Check out this check I received for a couple of surveys. This is just one of hundreds of payments I've received for taking surveys here at clickforsurveys.com. So how does it work? Major corporations want to find out what you are thinking about current trends, your shopping habits, and why you buy certain products. They need you, but they also want to save money. So instead of setting up an office or paying employees to bug you on the phone, they allow volunteers like yourself to simply take surveys online and receive compensation. Here at Click for Surveys, we have the inside connection to get you enrolled with all of these companies. It's a win-win situation for you and for the corporations. They get your opinion and you get paid. It is that simple. Join Click for Surveys today and then follow the simple 3-step process. 1. Scroll through our massive database of companies that want to pay you to take their surveys. This database cannot be found anywhere else on the web. Simply choose your favorites and enroll with them. 2. Choose which surveys you want to complete. Your survey invitations are sent to you via email. Here, check out this inbox overflowing with surveys ready to be completed for compensation. or you can simply log in and view which surveys are available for you to take that day. Look here, you can actually see how much each survey is going to pay you before you even take it. How many surveys can you complete? As many as you want. And 3, this is a big one. Step 3 is get paid. Choose whether you want to receive your cash via PayPal or have a paper check sent directly to your home. What you choose to do with your money is up to you. Save up for a vacation, catch up on some bills, save up for college, or buy yourself something nice. Then, just rinse and repeat. So what are you waiting for? Scroll down to learn more, take our sample survey, and get started today. We can't wait to see you on the inside.